So good morning. It's a great pleasure of ICU to host this symposium on the issue of energy and sustainability linked with university education on our campus. We all know that our modern and contemporary civilization causes a damaging and threatening change of climate and makes a destructive impact on the nature. But it is also true that the technology and the sciences always try to find a way to get through the problems caused by the humankind and continue to progress to create a better society. These problems are not solved from a single academic point of view. They need multi- and interdisciplinary approaches. I find great that this symposium will offer us a great occasion to think about a current environmental and energetic situation with a disciplinary diversity of participants. And these diversified approaches fit very well a thinking style proposed and practiced by the liberal arts education at ICU. I hope all the participants and the audience will share time of a deeper recognition of problems through the keynote lecture, the presentations, and the discussions in order to search and realize a new style of life and production based on sustainability. Thank you very much.